This is my retarded buddy trying to drive my truck. He's got the e-brake on, but he's getting it. He's coming down the hill now. It's a little scary. I'm scared. Good morning, neighbors. Oh yeah. Sharp maneuvers, fast maneuvers.
Good park right there.
I'm gonna call that success, gentlemen.
That is success. Well, he might move a couple more feet. He's like, well, you guys just looking at me.
Let's not stop videos. Yeah! Woo!
It almost wants to burn him out.
I'm gonna call that good, dude. Looks good, buddy! Woo! Oh no, let's keep cruising. I mean, when you're doing good, why stop?
It's so good.
Let's see if we can find park. Can we find park? Nope, let's go for it!
It doesn't want to move.
We're doing good. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Wait. This is getting better. Uh-oh. Porta potty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's good. Hey. You're good.
He almost took out the porta potty.
Oh, here we go.
He's going for it.
Let's take out the porta potty. You're good. Okay.